After the synchronization of both audio, we need to mute the audio of the video, because the reason for recording audio externally is so that you can have a cleaner audio, right? So the externally recorded audio is expected to be cleaner and better than the audio of the video clip. Now, so we don't need the audio of the video clip. We need to mute that so that we have just the separately recorded audio playing. How do you do that? Simply go to the track of the video clip. This is the track of the video clip, and then go to the left side of the track of the video clip. There you will locate three symbols, three important symbols there. One looks like lock, padlock, the second looks like I, and the last one looks like the symbol for volume. Very quickly, the padlock, when it is activated, it means you lock the track. You cannot do or perform any editing action on that particular track again. You see, now I cannot copy, I cannot cut, I cannot move around because that track has been locked. This particular track has been locked. That's the function of that. The second symbol is the I. When it is activated, what it means is that that track will be hidden. You are hiding that particular track. Now let me click on the I. You see, the track has become invisible on the player. You can no longer find it there. Now let's unlock, and it reappears. That's it. But this is the very one we need for this particular moment, which is the mute clip audio. When you activate this particular one, the audio of the video clip will be muted, which is what we need. Now let's activate it by clicking. Now when you play, just the externally recorded audio will be playing, and it should be a smoother and a cleaner sound.
Follow me for more if you have difficulties increasing your followership. Or
the next step is to select the portion of the reel you are ready to edit.